Hello. Good evening, good afternoon, everyone. So, this is a series of 25 must-do LR sets, and in this series, we have already covered 24 LR sets. 12 parts are already done. This is part 13, and in this, we are going to cover two more sets. Okay, so now let's start. So basically, this is the last set, and after this set, we are going to do some bonus sets for you. And this is a set of CAT 2023 slot 2. Okay, so basically, what does it say is there are 9 boxes arranged in 3 by 3 array. Okay, and okay, so there is 3 by 3 array as shown in table 1 and table 2. Each box contains 3 sets. Okay, so there are 9 boxes and every box has 3 sets. Each set has a certain number of coins between 1 and 9, both inclusive. Okay, so a set can have 1 coin, 2 coin, 3 coin, 4 coin, up to 9 coins. The average number of coins per set are all distinct integers. Okay, so now basically every set, so basically we have total. So if I'm talking about box 1, so in box 1 there are 3 sets, and average of all 3 numbers is going to be what? That is going to be the average of all 3 numbers is going to be integer. It means the sum of 3 numbers should be a multiple of 3. Okay, now the maximum number of boxes and maximum number of sets in any box can be maximum number of coins in any set can be 9. So I can have 999, that is the highest possible value. I can have 111, that is the lowest possible value. In this case, average is going to be 1. In this case, average is going to be 9. So averages are going to lie between 1 and 9, because it says average number of coins per set in the boxes are all distinct integers. So one of the averages is going to be 1, one of the averages are going to be 2, one of the averages will be 3, one of the averages will be 4, up to 9. So I am very sure that one of the boxes is going to have 111, one of the boxes is going to have 999, and any other possible cases I will see to that. Okay, the total number of coins in each column are all same. Means here, 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 the total number of this is going to be same. Okay. Now table 1 gives information regarding the median number of coins in the 3 sets. Okay, so it also says total number of coins in each row is also same, means this and this, all 3 are same. Okay, so I know one of the averages is 1, one of the averages is 2. So if average is 1, the number of coins are going to be 3. In all 3 sets together, there are going to be 3. Then it is going to be 6. Then it is going to be 9. Then it is going to be what? 12. Then it is going to be what? 15. Then it is going to be what? 18. Then it is going to be what? 21. Then it will be 24. Then it will be 27. Okay. Now, what is the average I am going to have? So average is going to be 3 plus 16 plus 9, or I am going to say that AP is, this is an AP. So average of an AP is first term plus last term divided by 2. So average comes out to be 15. So on an average, I have 15 coins in every that. Okay. And total number of sets, total number of boxes are 9. So basically total number of this is going to be 135 in each column. Total number of coins are same. Okay, and total number of coins that are given to us are 135. It means each column must have 45, 45 and 45. Okay, each row it is same, so it is going to be 45, 45, 45, and that is what that is given to us. Okay, table 1 gives information regarding the median number of coins. Median means middle number is given to us. So in this case, middle number is 9. So it means largest number must be 9. In this case, middle number is 8. So largest number can be either 8 or 9. This is what it is telling us. Okay. In the 3 sets in the box for some of the boxes, the table 2, each box has a number which represents the number of sets having more than 5 coins. Okay. Now in the first one, it is saying 1. So it means there is only going to be, out of 3 sacks, there is going to be 1 sack that has more than 5 coins. So 1 sack can have either 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. And remaining 2 are going to have 5 or less than 5. This is what it says. In this case, it is 2 stars. So 2 numbers should be greater than 5 and remaining 1 number should be less than equal to 5. So it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what it says. Okay. Now what does star means? 1 star, 2 star. Okay. The number that followed by a star, if the sets that box satisfy exactly one among the 3 conditions, it is followed by 2 stars. If 2 or more than conditions are satisfied, if 1 star is there, then exactly one of the conditions are satisfied, and there are 3 conditions there that are there. Okay. If minimum value is 1, and then 2, then 3. Minimum number of coins in a sack is 1, then one condition is satisfied. If median is 1, so if middle number is 1, then the smallest number has to be 1 because 0 is not a possible value. So if second statement is true, it means 2 conditions must be satisfied. It means if second statement is true, it means there must be 2 stars. Now, in case of third condition, it is going to be largest number should be 9. Okay. So this is what it says. So this is what I know so far, and let's fill the table. Now, let's see the questions whether we have a definite arrangement. Now, first question says, what is the total number of coins in all boxes in the third row? We have already figured that out, right? That is 45, 45, 45. In each row, it is same, right? So that is going to be 45. We got the answer of question number 1. Now, how many boxes have at least one sack containing 9 coins? Okay, for that I need to find the complete arrangement. For how many boxes average and median are same? Okay, the complete arrangement. How many sacks has exactly 1 coin? So basically there are 4 theta question in this. It means my arrangement has to be completed. I have to make the full arrangement, and this is what that is given to us. Okay. I have already figured out that in one of the boxes I am going to have 1, 1, 1. So 1, 1, 1 means one value is median, one is median, and one is the smallest value. It means 2 stars. And no number is greater than 5. It means I am going to have 0 double star. Is there any box that has 0 double star? Yes. So I am definitely going to have 1, 1, 1 in this. And average of this comes out to be 1. Okay. And I need to put average from 1 to 9. Okay. Now I know that one of the boxes is going to have 999. Now in this, all 3 numbers are greater than 5. So base number will be 3. And there is only one condition that is going to be true, that is highest value is 9. So that is going to be 3 star. So can I see 3 stars somewhere? That is this and this. Okay. This case can't satisfy 999 thing. So it means 999 I am going to get here. Okay. Now this sum is 27, average is 9. So 27 plus 3, 30. And sum should be 45. So this sum should be 15. So average should be 5. And this is what we have. Okay. So average is 5. Sum is 15. This is 6. It means remaining value, the sum of this number and this number should be what? The sum of these 2 numbers should be 15. And I know that 2 numbers are greater than 5. One number is already 6. Okay. So, and if I put 9 over here. So 9 plus 6, 15. Now this number should be 0, so not possible. Okay. Then if I have 1 star, so it means either the smallest number should be 1 or largest number should be 9. So 9 cannot be the largest number. It means the smallest number should be 1. So 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 8, 15. So I got this arrangement as well. Okay. So this is the arrangement that I am getting. Okay. Now I am having 1 double star over here. I am having 1 double star over here. And I know that one of the averages is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 is already done. Okay. 5 is already done. 1 is already done. Okay. Now I am going to see 3 star. Okay. 3 and star. Okay. So if I put largest number as 9, so I'm just making a couple of cases figuring out. So 9 plus 8, all three numbers should be greater than. Okay, so basically 3 star means all three number are greater than 5. It means the smallest number cannot be 1, right? Median number is definitely not 1. It means largest number has to be 9. So 9 plus 8, that is 17. Now I need this number to be a multiple of 3. Okay, so I need to have a number that's greater than 5. So if I put 6 plus 8 plus 9, that is going to be 23. No, 7 plus 8 plus 9. 7 plus 8 plus 9 is 24. Okay, that will do. 8 plus 8 plus 9, that won't work. So that is going to be 7 plus 8 plus 9, and average comes out to be 8. Okay, this is 24. 24 plus 3, 27. So, and sum needs to be 45. So I need sum as 45. I need sum as 45. I need sum as 45. So here sum should be 18. It means average should be 6. So I got this as 45, this as 45, this as 45. Now there are 2 stars that are given. I need average as 18. It means the smallest number should be 1, largest number should be 9, median cannot be 1, because in that case, and it says that 2 star means 2 conditions has to be true and 2 numbers should be greater than 5. Okay. So, and sum should be 18. So 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. Okay. So whenever you have any doubt at any point of time, do let me know. I'll re-explain everything. Now, in this case, if you see the median value is 9, it means largest value has to be 9, right? And 2 numbers should be greater than 5, right? So smallest number cannot be 1. So 18, I need multiple of 3. So 18 plus 3, 21. So average comes out to be 7. So I got 6, I got 7, I got 8. Okay. So I got 18, 18 plus 21, that is 18 plus 21 is going to be 39. So basically this sum in this should be what? 6. So average should be what? 2. Now 1 star, 0 means no number is greater than 3. Sorry, no number is greater than 5. And 1 star means the smallest number should be 1. Because if median number is 1, then the smallest number will also be 1. In that case, I'm going to have 2 stars, but there are no 2 stars. Okay. And average sum should be 6. So the only possible arrangement is 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. Okay. So this is going to be 27. 27 plus 6 is going to be what? 27 plus 6 is 33. So sum in this should be 12. So average should be 4. One number is greater than what? One number is greater than 5. And there are 2 stars and median is not 1. It means the smallest number should be 1. Largest number should be 9. Directly I'm getting this. Okay. So 2 is done, 4 is done. So basically this should be what? 3. Sum should be 9. So, and one number is greater than 9, greater than 5. And there are 2 stars. So 1, 1, because I can't have largest number is 9, because that will, so if largest number is 9, remaining 2 numbers should be 0. So that's not a possible case. And 2 stars means at least 2 conditions has to be true. So middle number is 1. So first number will also be 1. So this number comes out to be 7, because sum should be 9. So this is the complete arrangement that I was supposed to get, and I got it. Now, how many boxes have at least one set containing 9 coins? So 9 coins means I have 1, I got 2, I got 3, I got 4, I got 5. So answer of this question is going to be 5. That's going to be option 4. I hope everyone is clear with this. Now for how many boxes average and median is same. Okay, so average and median is same. So in this case, average is this, median is 1, no. In this case, no. In this case, no. In this case, no. In this case, yes, 1. In this case, yes, 2. In this case, yes, 3. In this case, no. In this case, 1. So how many we are getting? 4. Now, next one is saying how many sacks contain exactly 1 coin. Okay. So basically it is going to be 1, 2. This is going to be 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sets contains exactly 1 coin. So answer of this question is going to be 9. So to make the arrangement might be little trickier. Otherwise, questions are easy once you make the complete arrangement. In how many boxes do all three sets contain different number of coins? Okay, so I can directly see that this is just look and answer. So here no. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is no. This is 4. This is 5. And no. So answer of this question should be 5. So got the answer of all the questions. So now let's check the answers. Are we getting the correct answer? So 45, 5, 4, 9, 5. 45, 5, 4, 9, 5. We got all the answers. So I hope everyone is clear with the solution. Yes, no? Now the app is live of Career Launcher. So basically you can use the app and wherever you go, you can just solve few questions, read passages and everything. Now, this we are going to start with bonus set because all 25, this is a series of 25 LR sets and that is already done. We have already covered 25 sets. Now this is a bonus set. Now let's start. This one. 3 participants, A, B, C, participate in a random draw competition for 5 days. Okay. Each day, each participant randomly picks up a ball numbered between 1 and 9. Uh, the number on the ball determines his score on that particular day. Okay. The total score of the participant is sum of the scores in the 5 days. Okay, that is the score of the participant. The total score on the day is sum of the participants' score on that particular day. Okay, if someone is picking up 1, someone is picking up 2, someone is picking up 3, so that day's score is going to be 6. Okay, the 2-day average on the day except day 1 is the average of total score on that day and previous day. Obviously, for first day, you can't calculate the average of 2 days. So on second day, the average is 15. It means the 2 days sum is 30. First 2 days. So if on the first day total score is 30, then on second day score is 30 minus 6. The average of second day and third day is 15.5. Okay. 15.5. So if this is x, this should be x plus 1 because sum should be 31. The average of day 3 and day 4 is 16. It means sum should be 32. Okay. It means this value should be equal to what? 31 minus x. Okay. Because sum should be 32. Day 5 and day 4 average is 17. It means sum should be 34. It means this should be x plus 3. And this is what the question is telling us. Okay. And this is what it has explained that, for example, the total score on day 1 and day 2 is 25 and 20. Then 2 days average on day 2 is calculated as 22.5. And this is the same thing that has been given to us, right? The table 1 gives 2 days average through day 2 to day 5. Now participants are ranked each day with person having maximum score is awarded the minimum rank that is on that day, day 1. Okay. So obviously first rank is highest scorer, second rank is second highest scorer. If there is a tie, all participants with the tied score are awarded the best available rank. Okay, I'm going to see. Okay, so this is 1 to 2. It means this guy scored highest and these two people are getting the same score. Okay. For example, Akhil, Bimal, Chatur scored 8, 7, 7 respectively. Then their ranks would be 1 to 2 on that day. Okay. These ranks are given in table 2. Now, you shouldn't take this value as 8, 7, and 7 because in that case, there might be some issue because it is just for example. Okay, and rank is given in table 2. The following was also known. So let's get to it, read it. Akhil's score on day one, that I need to calculate. Who attains the maximum total score, that I need to calculate. What is the minimum possible score? So if it says minimum possible score of Bimal, it means I can't calculate every value exactly. There are going to be some cases, in some case Bimal's score is minimum, in some cases Bimal's score is maximum. Now, if you see this, if the total score of Bimal is a multiple of 3, okay, so again, this is a if question, it means my arrangement will not be completed. If Akhil attains a total score of 24, so again, there are some issues. So basically, I need to make the arrangement, and I'm sure that I can't make a complete arrangement in this particular set. Okay. So I got A, I got B, I got C, I got day 1, I got day 2, I got day 3, I got day 4, and I got day 5. 5 days we are talking about. This is there. Okay. It is also known that Chatur always scores in a multiple of 3. It means Chatur's score cannot be. So I am just going to write total over here. This is days total and this is participants total. So Chatur must be scoring 3, 6, and 9. Okay. His score on day 2 is unique highest score in the competition. So on day 2, Chatur is definitely scoring 9, and that is unique highest, means in the whole table, no other value can be 9. Even if I am talking about day 1, Akhil's score cannot be 9. It must, the highest value Akhil can take is 8. In this day, Akhil can take a highest value of, Chatur can take highest value as 8 or 6, whatever it is, but it can't be 9. Okay. His minimum score is observed only on day 1. Okay, so minimum score is 3 on day 1, and that is the lowest possible score. So it means every other day Chatur is scoring 666. So that is going to be 18, 18 plus 12, 30. So Chatur's total score is 30, and that's what we know. Okay. Okay, his minimum score is observed only on day 1, that is 3, and it matches Akhil's score on day 4. So Akhil is scoring 3 on day 4, and he's ranked 3. Okay. The total score on day 3 is the same as the total score on day 4. Okay, so if on day 3 he is scoring X, then in day 4 he is scoring X. So average of day 3 and day 4 is going to be X only, that is X plus X by 2. So on day 4, if average score is 16, it means actual score on days 4 is 16, and day 3 it is also 16. Okay. Now sum of day 1 and day 2. So day 1 and day 2 is 30. Day 2 and day 3 is 31. And if this value is 16, this sum should be 15. Okay. Now, if this is 15, average of first and second day is 15, it means this value should also be 15. Okay. And on this day, the average is 17, day 4 and day 5. So this value should be 18. And that's what we are getting. Okay. So this is going to be what? 31, 31, that is 62. 62 plus 18 is going to be what? 80. Okay, he is already scoring 30. So remaining 2 people are scoring 50. This is what we have. Okay. Now, as soon as I figured that out, if Akhil is getting a score of 24, then what is Bimal's score? Because sum of Akhil's score and Bimal's score should be what? Should be 50. So if Akhil is scoring 24, then what should Bimal score? That should be 626. Got the answer. So one question is going to be extremely easy. We can directly figure that out. Now, who attains the maximum possible score? So either answer is going to be cannot be determined, or it is going to be Chatur, and I will bank on Chatur because Chatur is scoring 30, and last question is saying it's Akhil is getting 24, then Bimal is scoring 26. So answer of this question is going to be Chatur. That's what my guess is. I'll still calculate this. Okay. Now let me come to this. Let me figure this out. Now I got everything. This is 6, this is 9. So 6 plus 3, that is 9, 9 plus 7. Got it. Okay. Now this is 6, sum should be 12, and this is rank 1. So if he is scoring 7, then it should be 5. If he is scoring 8, it should be 4. None of the values can be 9 apart from this. This is what we already figured this out. This is 16, and these two are having same ranks. So remaining sum is what? Remaining sum is 10. So it means this value should be 5. This value should also be 5. Okay. Now it says that Bimal's score is same on day 1 and day 3. So on day 3, Bimal's score is 5. So on day 1, it should be 5. So 3 plus 5, 8. So this should be 7. Okay, got it. Got it. Now I can mark question number 1. Question number 1, what is Akhil's score? That is going to be on day 1, that is going to be 7. Already got the answer. Okay. Now Akhil is scoring higher than Bimal on this day, and this is 9. So summation of this and this should be 6. So if Akhil is scoring 5, he must be getting 1. If Akhil is scoring 4, he must be getting 2. So that is the possible case. Okay. Now 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 plus 3. 17 plus 3 is what? 17 plus 3 is 20. 20 plus 5 is going to be 25. So Akhil's highest score can be 25. Then 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 plus 4, 23. So lowest score is going to be 23. So Akhil can either score 25 or 24 or 23. Now sum should be what? Sum should be 50. So if Akhil is scoring 50, Bimal must be scoring 25. Sorry, if he's scoring 24, Bimal must score 26. And if Akhil is scoring 23, Bimal should score 27. And these are the cases that we have. Okay. Now let us solve the questions. Now what is the minimum possible score of Bimal? That's going to be 25. Now after solving this, after getting the arrangement, sorry, that is going to be 25. Now, after solving this, I can still figure out that Chatur is having the highest score because Bimal's score lies between 25 to 27. Akhil's score lies between 27 to 25. Okay. Now, if Bimal's score is a multiple of 3, it means Bimal's score is 27. That is the highest score. Okay. So, if Bimal's score is 27, how can I get it? So, that is going to be 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 7, 12 plus 7, 19. 19 plus 8, 27. So basically, if this is 8, this should be 4. If this is 2, this should be 4. So Akhil's score on day 2 and day 5, both is going to be 4. So what is the Akhil's score on day 2? That is going to be 4, and that is option 3. So did we get the answers? Akhil's score on day 1 is 7, right? Who scored the max? Who got the highest score? Chatur. Bimal's lowest score is 25. If Bimal's score is multiple of 3, then Akhil's score is 4. And if Akhil is attaining 24, what is the total score of Bimal? That is 26. And that's how we can solve this question. I think this is going to be, I would consider this as a comparatively easier set. It can easily be solved and we can easily get the answers of these kind of questions. And if you want to master DILR, join DILR 1000. Thank you. Now, in case anyone has any doubt, kindly do ask the doubts. So if there are no doubts, then let me wind it up. So let's conclude this session. Take care. Bye-bye.